also judge a health insurance company only by looking at its claim settlement ratio? Suppose if one company shows 98% and another shows 94%, do you immediately assume that the company with 98% must be better? Then you may be making the wrong decision, because the claim settlement ratio alone does not tell you the complete claim story, and a company may show a very high percentage, but you still face deduction, delays, or even rejections at the time of claim because lots of reasons. So which company has the most reliable claim settlement ratio in 2026? So let's check the top 5 health insurance companies, which is HDFC Ergo, Tata AIG, Bajaj, ICICI Lombard and Nivopa. And before comparing these companies, you need to understand one important thing, that not every number promotes as a claim settlement ratio tells you the same thing. So let's check the latest IRDAI claim settlement ratio figures for the companies you are considering. So HDFC Ergo paid 98.85% of its paid claim within 3 months. Bajaj General reported 98.56%, while ICICI Lombard reported 98.45%. And Tata AIG's figure was comparatively lower at 94.14%, and Nivopa reported 100% of its paid claims within 3 months. And among all private general insurance combined, the figure was 94.03%, while the total for standalone health insurance company was 99.93%. And at first glance, you may conclude that Nivopa is automatically the winner. But that would be an incomplete comparison, because Nivopa is a standalone health insurance company, so meaning its primary business is health insurance, whereas HDFC Ergo, Tata AIG, Bajaj and ICICI Lombard were general insurance companies that also handle motor, travel, home and other types of insurance claims. So therefore, the company-wide percentages of these general insurers are not necessarily health insurance only figures. So comparing them directly with a standalone health insurance is not always an apples to apples comparison. And another misunderstanding is that 100% figures means there were no rejected claims. Not at all. It means that the claims which were paid within 3 months. And it does not disclose through this percentage alone how many total claims were received, rejected, withdrawn or closed without payment. And another problem with depending only on the CSR of insurance companies. So a claim may be counted as settled even when the insurer pays only part of the hospital bill. So let's understand it with the examples. Imagine your hospital bill is 5 lakh rupees, but because of room rent restrictions, proportionate deductions, non-medical expenses or a co-payment clause, then insurer pays only 3 lakhs. So technically the claim has been settled, but your family still has to arrange the remaining 2 lakh. And according to information released by the Ministry of Finance, common reasons for claim disallowance is deduction or repudiation include exhaustions of the sum insured, co-payment, policy sublimits, top-up deductibles, room rent cappings, proportionate deductions and non-medical expenses. So non-disclosure is another major risk. Where purchasing a policy, you must correctly disclose existing disease, previous surgeries, medicines, smoking or alcohol habit and other information requested in the proposal form. And I think you clearly know how CSRs are calculated. So do not allow an agent to leave medical details blank merely to obtain a cheaper premium or faster policy issuance. The insurer evaluates your claim using the information recorded in the proposal form, not only what you verbally told the salesperson. So during financial year 2024 and 2025, the Bima Bharosa portal recorded 1,37,361 grievances related to general and health insurance, and of which 93% were disposed of during that financial year. So complaints are therefore important, but they must be considered along with the numbers of policies, claims handled, resolutions quality and the nature of each complaint. And the next factor is cashless network hospital. So do not select a company simply because its advertisement mentions thousands of hospitals. Check whether 2 or 3 reliable hospitals near your home are currently available in its cashless network or not. So having the maximum numbers of network hospitals will not help you in the future if your nearby hospitals are not in network. So at the time of claim, you have to go with reimbursement claim or just have to find the other alternative option. And Hospital networks can change, and cashless availability can also depend on the exact hospital branch, treatment, and policy terms. So, after all this, which company has the most real claim settlement ratio? So, among the named general insurance, SDFC Ergo had the highest under 3-month figure at 98.85%, and it's followed closely by Bajaj at 98.56%, and ICICI Lombard at 98.45%, and Tata AG reported at 94.14%. So these numbers provide useful information about settlement speed, but none of them alone proves that one company offers the best health insurance policy for every customer. So before buying a health insurance policy, do not rely only on the premium or the claim settlement ratio or the highest network hospitals. Read the policy wording carefully, check the pre-existing disease waiting period, room rent eligibility, co-payment, disease-wise sublimits, exclusions, registration benefit, and claim process. You should also verify whether the insurer has a strong in-house claims settlement team and whether reliable hospitals near your home are available in its cashless network or not. So most importantly, choose a sum insured that is sufficient for the medical cost in your city, because remember, a higher claims settlement ratio is a positive indicator, but it is not enough to decide whether a policy is right for you. And the best policy is one that offers suitable coverage, fewer restrictive conditions, and dependable claim support when you actually need it. So the next time you purchase health insurance, do not look only at the premium or blindly trust one percentage. Compare the complete policy and then make an informed decision. And if you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to PolicyHub for more accurate and easy to understand insurance information. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.